If this is you, then watch this video. You've just had a new home built, but your builder hasn't finished the job. Worse, the work that was done is riddled with defects, cracked tiles, water leaks, or electrical issues. You've called, emailed, and now they've stopped answering. If you're a homeowner struggling with defective or incomplete building works and wondering what your legal options are, then this video is for you. I'm Damin Murdock, principal lawyer at Leo Lawyers. With over 17 years of experience helping homeowners resolve construction disputes, I'll walk you through the process of how to enforce your rights under the Home Building Act of 1989 and to bring a case to the New South Wales Civil and Administrative Tribunal. To start the legal process, you'll need to file an application with NCAT, along with a document called the Points of Claim. Now, the Points of Claim is essentially your case summary. It outlines when you and the builder entered into the building contract, what kind of contract it was. For example, a master builder's contract or a housing industry association new homes contract. The scope of the building works the builder agreed to carry out, including key dates for any approved architectural plans or engineering drawings. The important terms of your contract, things like the contract price, how many days the builder had to complete the works, and any warranties that required the builder to finish the job without defects and in line with all applicable laws. You'll also set out what parts of the job remain defective or incomplete. If you've obtained an expert report identifying these issues, you'll refer to that here as well. Next, you'll explain what you've done to try to resolve the matter. That usually includes showing that you asked the builder to fix the defects or finish the incomplete work. The builder failed, refused, or simply ignored your requests. You then issued a notice of substantial breach under the contract, gave them a fair time to fix the issues, and they still didn't. This puts the builder in breach of both the contractual warranties in the agreement and the statutory warranties under Section 18B of the Home Building Act. Now, if the builder also failed to complete the works within the agreed time frame, and there are delays, you may also be entitled to liquidated damages. In this case, you'll include how many days over the deadline the project went and any financial losses you've suffered as a result. Once your application and points of claim are submitted, NCAT will issue a notice for what's called a directions hearing. And this is a procedural hearing where the tribunal sets deadlines for both sides. For example, the homeowner may be required to file any additional expert evidence, while the builder will be given a time frame to file their points of defense and any responsive expert reports. The matter may then be listed for a conciliation conference. But if a settlement isn't reached, there will usually be another directions hearing. At that stage, both parties will be asked to file their lay evidence. That's typically a written witness statement outlining the facts from each side's point of view, supported by documents like the building contract, architectural drawings, engineering reports, and even emails or text messages between you and the builder. This lay evidence will form part of the case when it proceeds to a final hearing before the tribunal. It is difficult to predict with a high degree of confidence the legal costs that may be incurred in pursuing or defending against a building claim in NCAT. However, generally speaking, for matters where the loss and damage exceeds $40,000 but is less than $100,000, legal costs are normally within the $25,000 to $50,000 range. For matters where the loss and damage exceeds $100,000, Legal costs are normally in the range of $40,000 to $120,000. You are looking for a lawyer to assist you in preparing your points of claim, acting for you in your building matter? Then please contact me at Leo Lawyers or call us on 028-2010-051 or visit our website at www.leolawyers.com.au.